Hey there, I'm Jennifer Tryon, and I'm going to take you through how I constructed my COVID-19 journal. So yep, I used a cracker box. So this is just a big cracker box from Costco. You could also use a cereal box. Any kind of sturdy cardboard will do. And I took out my big paper trimmer because it was the heavy duty one. And I trimmed just off the sides. And I trimmed it down to 8 by 8 inches. Although for the paper, I went 7.5 by 7.5. And this is the Jen Hadfield In the Family collection by American Crafts. You can see I kind of mitered the corners there. You do that just by pinching the corners and then snipping off the excess. I used a tape runner to tack it down, and I didn't want any of those seams showing. So again, the In the Family collection, I love those houses just to cover up the seams. And then I had some thickers. They're kind of a rose gold color. And I used my T-square ruler to just make sure everything was nice and centered. And that Let's Stay Safe or Let's Stay Home sticker worked perfectly there, I thought, along with those transparency flowers. And I used my Spectrum Noir art liner markers to put the date on there, and then some of the Spectrum Noir quick dry ink to antique the front cover just with one of the dabbers. I thought that kind of helped it look a little bit older. So just taking a little flip through all of my pages. Now your pages can be whatever you want them to be. We did homeschooling and baking and all kinds of things that we've been doing. And then I put the book together using the Cinch from We Are Memory Keepers. It does about 12 punches at once, and then you can kind of move it down and use the wires, kind of hang all of the pages off of it. So a little tip, you want your front and back cover to face each other, but first you want to put the pages on, then the front and back cover, and then it'll all kind of go in order properly. So that's the book. It came together pretty quickly once I got it going. Yeah, we'll take a little flip through social distancing, working from home, our baking, bike rides to the creek, mask making, homeschool. Those are just printouts on cardstock right from the photo printer. And then of course I left a couple of blank pages too, because there are definitely more memories to be had during this time in quarantine. I hope you're inspired to make something similar. Stay safe. I'm Jennifer Tryon.